Hi, my friends. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. We're doing a little bit of chess today here. Hopefully, we do good. And I'm going to tell you, a 1-1 game already. It was a pretty easy one, which is good because I've been losing lately like crazy. So we're going to play another one here. You know, whatever happens, I put it here. Even if I embarrass myself, I'm going to put it here because I am not an expert by no means. I'm just a regular dude that likes to play chess. We're playing with whites, which is good because I like playing with white. So here we come. Now, usually when you see a guy coming up here, C6, that means that he's going to come up here next. So, all right, I got it. I understand. So I'm going to come here. Let's see if he does it. I told you he was going to do it. I'm going to come forward. If he comes forward, I take. All right, I'm going to come here. See what's happening. Let's see what happens in here. Get out of my way. He's probably going to have to take. Yep. I don't like using my queen that much, but it is what it is. Or at least at the beginning, right? So, let's do this. All right, let's do this. I want to develop some of these pieces right here. I really do. So, hmm. All right, let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening here. Man, I don't like this game so far. Don't dig it too much. You see this palms that this guy has set up right here? That's a pretty good defense right there. Very, very good, actually. I don't know. Trying to do something. Hmm. Hmm. Nope. Take. I take. Not doing good on this one. Hmm. No way, man. All right. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening. I haven't been talking too much in this one because this guy has me concentrating. This guy legitimately has me concentrating. Come on, people. All right, let me see. If I come with C, okay, let me see. I don't know about this. I take, he take. Check. All right, let's do this. We take right here with Visual. He took. We're giving check here. Ah, come on. No. Oh. What am I doing? What am I doing, computer? Don't make that mistake right now. Check. Nope, that didn't play it out. Not even close how I wanted it. That's frustrating. That is frustrating. I hope he makes a mistake and he think he could come forward here. This game is bad, man. This game is so bad. Dear Lord, help me. This game is so bad. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to do. I don't even know what to do. I'll tell you what, he's attacking. I don't even have any. I mean, I don't barely have anything. Let's come here. That pawn is way too close to be here. He's going to take with that. I got it. Come here. I need him to move that queen. If he makes a mistake and he moves that queen out of the way, I mean, oh, no, sir. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. You just hang this. Oh, no way. No way, man. No way. Oh my Lord. Wow, man. This guy gave me a checkmate. This is what happened when you like concentrate on one side and don't analyze everything going on. What a good game. This guy hooked me up. Good job, man. You did really fantastic. Let me know what you think, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. And as always, God is in control.